Hey everyone, I am in Sofia, Bulgaria today, visiting a client, helping him figure out a renovation in one of his homes here. And here I want to talk about, I don't know if you can see this or not through the video, but there are no retaining walls here. Yet the entire runway, or at least driveway here at the airport, is retained and is perfectly fine. I want to explain to you about the 45-degree angle law that our structural engineer and architect and design team live by. As long as 45-degree angle, that area shaded in is stable, that means the structure on top is fine. You don't need a retaining wall as long as the soil and erosion control exists. Right? And remember, grass is a great erosion control mechanism. You know why? Because of the rhizomes, right? The grass, it has its roots and the rhizomes spread. It sinks into the turf. So a lot of times in the DC area, Bethesda, all over Maryland, DC, and Virginia, right? We look at backyards, and instead of spending $100 grand on a serious retaining wall here, a couple million going all the way, a couple hundred yards that way. Instead of spending $100 grand on a serious retaining wall, a lot of times we will grade flat a backyard and then at the end do a 45-degree angle of grass or liriope or vinca minor or pachysandra to allow the dirt to catch on. Now, you have to be extremely careful. That's just not regular topsoil dirt. In fact, it's the opposite of that black topsoil dirt. That black topsoil dirt will wash away. You need engineered soil. This is where a lot of contractors go wrong, and then you have an issue later, or a lot of these home builders who are doing jobs quick and not right. They'll regrade the area with not good dirt, and you can see 3 years later after a new build, the area is depressed around the home, and we're fixing a lot of the work and the builder is nowhere to be found. We see it all the time. The reason why is they're not using the right soil. You have to get engineered soil, okay, that is proper for this type of grading. So, just wanted to show you something cool.